Hey guys, it's IX Business and today we're talking about impulse purchases. We've all been there, walking down the aisle and seeing something we just can't resist buying, even though we don't need it. But is it worth it in the end? Let's find out. First off, the high of impulse purchases. So, what exactly is an impulse purchase? It's a sudden urge to buy something, usually fueled by emotions like excitement or stress. The thrill of getting something new can be irresistible, and that's why we often end up buying things we don't need. Next up, the low of impulse purchases. However, the high of an impulse purchase is often short-lived. As soon as we get home, the reality of our purchase sets in and we realize we spent money we shouldn't have. Impulse purchases can also lead to buyer's remorse and guilt, leaving us feeling stressed and unhappy. And last but not least, alternatives to impulse purchases. So, what can we do to avoid falling into the trap of impulse purchases? One option is to take a step back and think about the purchase before you make it. Make a list of the things you need and stick to it when you're shopping. Another option is to find alternative ways to treat yourself, like taking a walk, reading a book, or trying a new hobby. So there you have it, guys. Impulse purchases can be tempting, but they often lead to more stress and unhappiness in the long run. By taking a step back and finding alternative ways to treat ourselves, we can save ourselves money and keep our emotions in check. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.